Good morning, students. Today start the chapter 14, Understanding 3D shapes. Understanding 3D shapes. Now, introduction of the 3D shapes is like ball, prism, cuboid, or cylinder. Or cylinder. These are the 3D shapes. Now, what is the face, edge, and vertices? Face, edge, and vertices. The surface of solid. The surface of solid shape is called in a face. A line where two faces meet is called an edge. Now, what is the vertex? But the point where three edges meet is called a corner of a vertex. Okay. Now, let us consider a cube. Each face of a cube in a flat surface. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. 8 vertices. Okay? Look at here the cube. This is your cube. Look at here. Vertices in the corner points. First vertex, second vertex, third, four, five, six, seven. Okay. Now, how many vertices? 8 vertices and 12 edges and 6 faces. Okay. Now cuboid has same way. 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cylinder has two plane faces. Cylinder has two plane faces, one curved faces and two circular vertex. Two circular, because this is your cylinder. Circular part and this bottom is also circular part. And this is complete a cylinder. So one curved face and two circular vertex. Now sphere has one curved surface, has no vertex and no edge. No vertex and no edge. A cone has one plane face, one curved face, and one circular edge and one vertex. Okay? Cone has one plane face, one curved face, and one circular edge and one vertex. Look at here. Cube. This is your cube, cuboid, cylinder, and sphere. Okay. Now, what is the prism? What is the prism? Look at the figure of the prism shown below. A prism is a shape with two ends similar, equal, or parallel. Similar, equal, or parallel. Two ends similar, equal, or parallel. In the base of the prism is a triangular, is called a triangular prism. If the base of a prism is a triangular, is called a triangular prism. And base of a prism is a square, is called a square prism. Base of a prism is called a square and square prism. Now triangular prism. Look at here. 5 faces, 9 edges and 6 vertex. In a triangular prism is 5 faces, 9 edges and 6 vertex. And square prism is 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertex. 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertex in a square prism. Look at here pyramid. Look on the figure of the pyramid shown below. A pyramid is shape only one base, and rest of the faces of the pyramid are triangular. If the base of pyramid of a square shape is called a square pyramid. If the base of a pyramid is a triangular, it is called the triangular pyramid. Look at here, square pyramid. Base is a square. No, is a square pyramid. Square pyramid has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertex. Okay, children. Now, triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. Base is a triangle. Let's say base is a triangular shape, so it is called a triangular pyramid. Now 4 faces, 6 edges, and 4 vertices of a triangular pyramid. Now let us the next way shape of the cube, cone, cuboids, and cylinder and sphere. Now cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertex. Cone has 2 faces, 1 edge, and 1 vertex. Cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertex. Cylinder has 2 faces, 2 edges, and no vertex. Sphere has 1 faces, no edges, and no vertex. Now name of the solids. Name of the solids. Triangular pyramid. Faces has 4, edges has 6, and vertex has 4. Triangular prism, 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertex. Square pyramid has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertex. Rectangular prism is 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertex. Now net of the solid. What is the net of the solid? Suppose we want to make solid shape by cutting a piece of paper and folding. It is possible to do so, but we know the shape of the paper has been cut to make a particular solid. This drawing of the uniform shape is called the net of the solid. Let us look at the cube as shown below. This is a cube and the net of the cube. We see the net of a cube has 6 square of equal size. 6 square of the equal size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We draw 6 square because cube has 6 equal square shaped faces. The side of a square will be an edge of a cube. Okay, children. Now similarly, cuboid shape. It is also a just arrangement of 6 equal square will not work at a cube. For example, alongside not represent a cube. Different solids are given below here. First is cuboid. Cuboid shape and net shape is here given. Now cone is also cone shape, and cylinder, the net shape of the cylinder, net shape of the pyramid, net shape of the pyramid. Now look at the exercise 14.2. 14.2. First, match the shape to its net. Match the shape to its net. Now first of all, shape A is equal to this. B is given by here fourth part, and C is also a third, and D is the part of 5. E is the first part, is the first part of the given here. Now, next question, consider a pyramid with all triangular face of equal size. What is the name given to each face of the pyramid? Is equilateral. This is your answer, is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle.